Yeah, guys. Hello. Today we are going to see how to set into Maria on a different plane. And I got daddy's money. So now I got the bruh. Is bro kidding me? Bro just spawned the ants off. Alright. Yeah. So I'm gonna try. I don't have all the planes, but I got the F-35B. I know this plane is. So I'm just gonna take out. What the hell is that? That is so close. RF. Oh crap. How fast can this plane go? No flaps? No, bro, I'm coming down too fast. Good. Oh, crap. No, I can't. Fast. Got airport, let's go. Let's land. Oh, it's like game hack. Bro, I just hit the wall. That didn't work. So in the shop, I would like to see. Why can't they just add like so then you can see what you got and what you don't got. Like that would just make a life easier. Anyways, I bought another plane. Not the airliners, it's the modern, not the, I think it's not. Old military? Yeah. I got the NASA. The goes really fast. Only 8 is 14. 21. 40. 30. 40. Okay, we're just gonna take off. This doesn't even have any flaps. I'm gonna break my game. Yeah, it's gonna kill my game. I'm gonna fly around the whole map 5 times. Just gonna gain some speed. Start with 400. This is like a space plane. To space. And I'm just gaining speed. Look how fast that goes to. Like, so broken behind this. That's how sharp it is. thousands. We actually have to go to the whole island. I've never been to the whole island though. Okay, should I try that this way? I'm gonna go back to I'm gonna go to the background. I'm gonna see how long it'll take me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 43. Oh my god! Oh my! Yo, what? Holy crap! Yeah, we're gonna go to... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. This guys. We're gonna go round and round until we actually have enough speed. That's 900. That's a good one. Lap here. Okay, I got it. I think that's good. It's gonna be minus. Oh, I landed. That's first plane done, guys. First plane done. Okay. That's the first plane done. So I'm just gonna leave it there. Now we did the F-35B, and I'm probably gonna end the video here because I don't want it to be 10 minutes long, and then it'll be too hard for you guys to fully do it. So bye bye.